Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking gadget store post for your store. For example, if you are selling electronics, gadgets, or mobile devices, this video is for you. So, you can create your own post in Canva. The best part of Canva is that you don't have to create your post from scratch or start with a blank design. You can simply modify templates that have already been designed by professional and creative designers. Just go to the search bar in Canva and type Gadget Instagram Post. We are creating a post for Instagram. That's why we have selected Instagram posts in the Canva templates. You can select the See All option to explore all the available templates. You can see that everything from minimalist to professional-looking templates is available. This one looks really good, and it's free. This one is Pro, but I will go with this one. You can simply choose a free version and click Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access to the template. I can simply replace elements or make any changes I want. Starting with the text. If you want to customize it, just click on it and double-click on it to add or remove text, just like this. For more features, just click on the text, and you will see more text customization features available. This option changes the font. This one changes the color. This one resizes the text. This one makes it bold. This one applies italics or underlining, along with other features. You can explore and try these features. That covers the text customization features. Now let's move on to the background. So if you want to change or remove the background, simply press the backspace key on your keyboard. Click on it, and now you can see that the template background has been removed. Just click on it. Now you can change the background color like this. You can add a background color like this. You can choose any color. Right now, I'm undoing the change. And that was all about the background. Now, if you want to replace or add your own image to the template, go to Uploads. Upload your image from your PC and make sure its background has already been removed. Upload images with the background already removed because, for example, I will be choosing a random image from Pinterest. I will go with this one. I will go with this one and I will paste it here. If you upload an image that still has its background, it will look like this. If you have the free version but later get the Pro version, then you can remove it from here. But if you don't have the Pro version, you need to upload images of your product with the background already removed. You can use another website to remove the background, then upload the image without a background. Alternatively, as shown here, you can do it directly. You can simply remove this image and add your own product like this, which has a similar appearance, and you will see features for editing the image. You can add a filter to your image. You can also add shadows to your images if you want. So, like this, you can customize and adjust anything you like, add, replace, or remove elements. In the same way, you can add your own text. You can add your own logo. You can add your own specifications or information, contact details, and anything else you need. Once you are satisfied with your customization or modifications, export the design by renaming your file, going to Share, selecting Download, and downloading it in PNG or any other available format. Just download it, and your gadget post is ready to upload to your social media accounts. Thank you for watching.